If you need to delete your Stripe account permanently, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Stripe website and log in using your account credentials. Ensure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is typically found in the dashboard menu, often under your profile or account name. Step 3. Locate the account deletion option. In the account settings, look for the option related to account management or deletion. This may be labeled as close account or delete account. Step 4. Review the information. Before proceeding, review any information provided about the consequences of deleting your account. This may include loss of access to data, fund, and services associated with your account. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to delete your account. You may need to enter your password again or verify your identity through email or SMS. After completing these steps, your Stripe account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation or additional instructions.